In this presentation, I am going to talk about various computerized reservation systems available in the market. My target audience in this presentation are those students who are making up their minds to pursue a career in this field or not. The contents of this video are also useful for those who have already completed their studies either directly or through any one of the training institutes. The content in this presentation will also benefit the current student who are pursuing their studies in reservations and ticketing courses in any one of active GDS systems in the world. Please be aware, there are three major computerized reservation systems widely used by travel agents around the world, namely, Amadeus, Galileo and Sabre Global Distribution Systems, popularly known as GDS. There may also be area-specific systems in operation in the world, like Apollo system, which is widely used in Canada, and other internet booking engines, developed for private, or low-cost airlines. The other systems in operation are Abacus, which is active and mostly used in Far East countries, including Indian subcontinent. WorldSpan is another such system which is also being used by some specific agents in UK and North America. You may Google them to find more information. There are also privately built computerized reservation systems, known as CRS, which are used mainly by major airlines of the world, since they were built and were in operations before the advent of GDS. I will talk more about it and in detail when you enroll for actual training with us and make you understand the difference between a CRS system and a GDS system, and what are the roles of in-between conversion switches, from one system to other. Though initially and at present, I am going to offer my training expertise to enrolled candidates, in Amadeus system only, but later on, the training in other two major GDS systems will also be made available, provided there is a good demand for the same. Coming back to this presentation, I am going to showcase, to the aspiring candidates, how these three major systems work. You yourself will notice, that though their input command entries are different, for each system, but their output resultant value will always be same. For example, the two-digit airline code AI, for Air India will be same in all the systems. Similarly, the three-digit city and airport code for Kolkata will be CCU, in all the systems. All the systems are designed to see flight schedules, seat availability, create PNR, and issue e-tickets. The only difference may be in their input commands, and output displays. Let's begin to have a look at it. In Amadeus GDS, the sign-in entry to access the features of its system, is JI, for jump in, followed by an asterisk, and a 4-digit numerical code, which could be anything between 0001, to 9999. After the 4-digit numerical code assigned to a reservation agent, there will be the agent's 2-digit name initials, for example, AJ for Alan John. It then consists of a / and a 2-digit duty code, as assigned by your office, like SU for supervisor and or GS for general sales agent. In our training in this course, we will follow the GS duty code. The complete sign-in entry would then look as JI*1234AJ/GS, if our agent Alan John is assigned 1234 as his ID code, AJ as his initials, and GS as his duty code for general sales agent capabilities. The sign-out entry, after you have finished your work for the day, or for short breaks, is JO and an asterisk in Amadeus system, also known as 1A system. In Galileo system, also known as 1G system, the reservation agent's sign-in entry will be SON/Z followed by 1 to 3-digit alphanumerical code, as shown in the video demonstration. SON here simply means sign on. The entry to sign out in 1G system is SOF, for sign off. Similarly, in Sabre system, also known as 1S system, the reservation agent's sign-in entry would be SI, for sign-in followed by an asterisk, your assigned ID code, an ampersand, and your password, as shown in video demonstration. The sign-out entry in 1S system is SO followed by an asterisk. In this 1A system simulation of sign-in and sign-out entries are being showcased, observed how the system responds to each entry is being made. To sig in we will enter JI for jump in followed by 4-digit code, name initials and duty code. To sign out of the system, the JO asterisk entry for jump out is made. Now being showcased is 1G system simulation of sign-in and sign-out entries. Please observe how the sign-in entry command is different from Amadeus system. In Galileo and its response. To sign in 1G system, we will enter SON/Z for jump in followed by 2-digit name initials. To sign out of 1G system, the SOF entry for sign off is made. Now the sign in and sign out entry simulation is showcased for Sabre system. The entry to sign in Sabre is SI, followed by an asterisk, a 4-digit numerical code, an ampersand, and a password as assigned to you by your office manager or supervisor. The sign out entry in Sabre will be SO and N star. As you observed in this presentation, the different reservation systems use different types, or combination of entries, to sign in and sign out. Similarly their responses, which were displayed, were also different, but their main purpose is same. It allows a reservation agent to do their work smoothly during the sign-in period. You must always sign out of the reservation system, if you are going to go away from your terminal, for substantial longer period of time, or for any other reason, as all the work done during signed-in session, will be tagged and traced to the person, who used his or her credentials to sign in, isn't it? You may sign in and sign out, any number of times in a day. In next presentation, we will see how decoding of an airline and a city code are decoded in these systems. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video for instant notification to you whenever next presentation is uploaded. Until then, have a good time, and do take good care of yourselves.